Sermon number 45. Allah's greatness, and lowliness of this world. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Praise is due to Allah, from whose mercy no one loses hope, from whose bounty no one is deprived, from whose forgiveness no one is disappointed, and for whose worship no one is too high. His mercy never ceases and his bounty is never missed. This world is a place for which destruction is ordained, and for its inhabitants departure from here is destined. It is sweet and green. It hastens towards its seeker and attaches to the heart of the viewer. So depart from here with the best of provision available with you, and do not ask herein more than what is enough, and do not demand from it more than subsistence.